What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Be in the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find best deals in the market. All right, today we're going over top penny stocks under $1. So let's jump into it. Hope everybody's having a great week of trading out there, able to lock in some profits. Let's jump to the first stock on here. First one on here, we have ticker sign CEI. They had a week high uh, last week of 94 cents, so they ended the week pretty strong. Overall, still bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10. Definitely some positive momentum going on with this one. So they ended the week at 83 cents. So this week, going to be looking to see if they can rally back up to hit this 94-cent high that they had last week. So last week they had a nice little run, had a low of 45 cents, went all the way up to 94 cents. So it was a nice little increase. Going to be looking to see, since they ended at this 83-cent level, if they can jump back up to retest 94 cents. Next on here, we have ticker sign METX. Now, they did fall down to a low of 38 cents. They are bearish. Moving average 10 is below the 50 and 100. They did have a nice little rally after hours, though, ending at 40 cents in the after hours. For them, going to be looking at three target prices, really. Going to be looking at this 57-cent level. That's definitely going to be a key resistance for them to retest. If they do break through that 57-cent level, they're going to be looking at 94 cents for them to retest this high. So 54 cents, 57 cents, and 94 cents are going to be two target prices for ticker sign METX, which is currently at 40 cents. Next, we have ticker sign NAK. They had a high of 44 cents. Overall, they did have a nice little rally after hours, going back to that 44-cent level. They're going to be starting at a new weekly high at this 44-cent level. So definitely going to be looking to see how they perform overall. Definitely a lot of bullish momentum going on in ticker sign NAK. We can see they did have a low of 40 cents, then shot up to this 44-cent rally after hours. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, so that's good overall for them. If we zoom out on the chart a little bit, we can see a nice key level to look at for is going to be this peak right here around the 22nd of July at 46 cents. So that's definitely a nice key level to look for. It's going to be this 46-cent resistance. And then if we zoom out even more, another peak to look at is going to be this 53-cent resistance. So 46 cents and 53 cents are going to be my two target prices for NAK. Next, we have ticker sign ADX. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. They had a low around the 25th of 41 cents, and then rallied all the way up to 52 cents. So nice little increase on there. Just been bouncing off of the moving average 50 line every day. Then they shot up to the 52-cent level. Overall, they ended the week at 50 cents. So they are still bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. So 52 cents is definitely going to be a target price that I'm looking at for them for ADX for them to start the week off strong. Next up, we have ticker sign GTE. They ended the week at 58 cents. They had a high last week of 60 cents, so they started off from a low of around 49 cents, then rallied all the way up to the 60-cent level. So overall, nice little bullish momentum for GTE for the previous week. They did end this 58-cent level, so 60 cents is going to be my target price for GTE. They are bullish. This moving average 10 line is above 50 and 100, and VWAP is significantly above moving average 10, so positive on all of those indicators. Next up, we have ticker sign USWS, and they ended at 83 cents last week. They started off the week around 74 cents, had a nice little rally up to this 86-cent level. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and the VWAP is significantly above the moving average 10. So, looking bullish, bullish pattern starting to set up for USWS. So, I'm going to be looking at this 86-cent level as a target price for them to see if they'll have this 3-cent increase from where they currently ended the week. Next up, we have ticker sign HSTO. They had a week high of 91 cents. That's going to be my target price for them. They are still bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. They had a low on the week of 79 cents, so a nice little rally from 79 cents to 91 cents. So that was a nice little increase last week. And then they ended the week at 88 cents. So 88 cents is where they ended. And my target price is going to be this 91-cent high that they had on the 3rd. So going to see if they can retest that high level of 91 cents for the week. Next up, we have ticker sign GPL, and they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is right at moving average 10, so maybe some more stagnant movement going on with them. Overall, they did end the week at 53 cents. And so 53 cents is going to be a common high level for them. So 53 cents seems to be a common peak level for them. So depending on what they do when the market opens, we'll see if they continue to go up. Another level to look for is this second common peak around 63 cents. So that's going to be my target price of 63 cents, a 10-cent increase from where they currently are at this current peak level of 53 cents. So going to be looking at 63 cents as a new target price for GPL. Next up, we have ITP. They had a high of 44 cents and they kind of rallied from this 49-cent level. Overall, still looking bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is right at moving average 10, so maybe some more sideways trading going on. But if that does continue to go up and reverse, then we could see it potentially going up from here. So 44 cents is going to be my target price for ITP. It did start a little bearish downward trend towards the after hours, so we'll see if it can hit this 44-cent high. But overall, nice week that they had last week from 39 cents to 44 cents. And lastly on here, we have ticker sign AUMN. They are bullish as well, coming from 46 cents, jumping all the way up to 56 cents as a high for last week. They did bounce off the moving average 50 line, which is this yellow line, and then continued to bounce to go all the way to this 56-cent level. Overall, they ended at 52 cents, so 56 cents is going to be my target price for AUMN. So, bear in mind, it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest or not to invest into any of these stocks. Make sure you do your own due diligence when investing into the stock market. Also, while you're down in the comment section, make sure you list out which one of these you think has the most potential to go up. Is it CI, METX, NAK, ADX, GTE, USWS, HSTO, GPL, ITP, or AUMN? So while you're down there, if you have a target price of any of these as well, that will definitely help everybody else when watching the video. And lastly, hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps YouTube algorithm promote the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.